Louisville, Texas. Today I'm standing on a pretty awesome boat. It's a 2017 Sun Tracker 22 Deluxe. The boat is very clean. It features a nice vinyl flooring, JL audio stereo speakers. As we bring back a little bit here on the helm, it's got a flush mount, Lowrance, even has a cell phone holder. One of my favorite parts of this boat is this bimini top. It's pretty cool. It's got a lot of cool little storage in it for maps, nets, rope, whatever you got that you need out of the way, you can store up there. Another cool thing, it has these little LED pin lights in it too as well. So if you like the boat at night. Another cool thing about the boat is this rear lounger. Picture yourself anchored out, having a good time, watching fireworks. It even has a ski tow bar. The boat is rigged with a Mercury 90 horsepower command thrust motor, and it only has 51 hours on it. If you guys want to check this boat out in person, give me a call at 972-436-9979 or check us out on MarineMax.com. Thanks for looking.